Ever wondered how AI models like chatbots or recommendation systems understand the meaning of words? It turns out the answer lies in how they assign importance to different words in a sentence. Let's dive into a groundbreaking study that reveals the hidden logic behind this process. The research begins with a deceptively simple question. What if we could visualize how AI models prioritize certain words over others? To explore this, scientists created synthetic data, a controlled experiment where they designed the rules of language themselves. They categorized words into three groups. 1. Irrelevant words that appear equally in positive and negative contexts. 2. Highly relevant words that strongly signal positivity. And 3. Highly relevant words that signal negativity. By training a basic AI model on this data, they uncovered a striking pattern. The model's internal weights, which determine how much each word influences the output, mirrored the preset rules. Words tied to positive sentiment had a stronger pull in the model's calculations, while neutral words faded into the background. Now let's test this in the real world. The team applied their approach to massive datasets like IMDB reviews and Yelp ratings. They trained models to detect sentiment patterns, and the results were astonishing. Words like excellent or amazing in positive reviews were treated as more important, just as in the controlled experiment. But here's the twist. They didn't stop at simple models. They also tested a more complex two-layer architecture, a design closer to modern AI systems. Even with this added complexity, the core pattern held. The model still prioritized words based on their frequency in positive vs negative contexts. This suggests the principle is robust, not just a quirk of simpler designs. So what does this mean for AI? It shows that even without explicit programming, models naturally learn to focus on the words that matter most. However, there's a catch. This study only examines word frequency, not deeper relationships. For example, it doesn't account for how not can invert a sentence's meaning. Still, it's a critical step toward understanding how AI reads text. Next time you chat with an AI, remember, it's not just memorizing words. It's quietly learning which words deserve the spotlight, just like we do when we read. And who knows? This research might one day help us build AI that truly understands language, not just mimics it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit subscribe for more explorations into the cutting edge of AI research. Stay curious and keep questioning how machines learn to think.